All right, when you look at the slide, I used x plus 2x equals 15. There is another way to do it. You could use x plus 1/2 equals 15, and that's actually more how it's written, right? It's written, and I'll read it. A nurse creates a leg splint from a board that's 15 feet long. He needs to cut it into two pieces so that one piece is half as long as the other piece. So in both cases, you do not know the length of the two pieces, but you know the relationship between the two pieces, right? So if one piece has a length of x, right, you know the other piece is half as long. So it's half of x, okay? What I did over here is I said, well, one piece must be twice as long as the other. So if one piece is x, the other piece is twice as long, so it's 2x. And both these will work, so I wanted to show the other one. Okay, this one's a little easier because there's no fraction, right? But the way this one works, I need to get rid of the fraction, right? But what I would start by saying I have an x, remember that's 1x, and 1 plus 1/2 is 1.5, or 3/2x. And that would equal 15, right? Now, how do I get rid of that? Well, I have to multiply both sides by 2, right? 3x equals 30, right? And how I got that was I multiplied this side by 2, and I multiplied this side by 2, right? So 2 times 3, remember it's 2/1 because it's fractions, but 6/2 is 3. And then I have 3x equals 30. I have to divide by 3 here, right? And what you get is well then x equals 10, okay? So you end up with the same answer, because now if x is 10, well then half of x is 5. So you still end up with the answers of 10 and 5, okay? This way that you saw I did it on the screen, it's just, it gives you an answers of 5 and 10, it's the exact same answer. So you could do it exactly as it's written, or you could look at it a little differently, and they both work, okay? The key is to understand you don't know either length. You know the relationship between the two lengths, that one is twice as long as the other, right? The longer one is twice as long as the shorter one, or the shorter one is half as long as the longer one. And both ways you look at it are going to give you the exact same answer.